Here I have Nubia Red Magic 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open camera, and then all you need to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. As you can see right now I took like 25 shots, and here we can review all these burst shots I took right now. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.